guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make something really special, a souffle pancake for a complete breakfast for dinner. I'm really excited to make this. It looks super delicious, like the picture perfect pancake that you see in the movies. So let's get baking. So here's the final product. It's a really beautiful, fluffy pancake. They're really cute. They're kind of small, but I like the size of it. And I made with it some strawberry jam syrup. So let's put a little bit on top. I don't need too much because the pancakes themselves are a little sweet. So let's take a decent chunk. They're super light, super fluffy. The strawberry is really delicious. It's all just super good. This is like the perfect pancake. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Cup of flour.
Oh, you had it in the shop.
Oh, shut up. Nothing's perfect, no one's perfect. Okay.
I'm perfect.
No, you're not. There. Now we store.
Look at face.
Does it? Any spatula, and I need you to rinse it off.
Huh?
Rinse off the tiny spatula. Make sure it's nice and clean. Treat it like a lady.
Oh, this is recording.
It's okay.
Oh.
Bloopers.
It's Liza, the slow batter.
Uh-oh. So, let's get baking.
Did you already make it?
Bye. Hello? Hello? Oh, Benji, we forgot the marker. Ben, the marker.
Marker. And action.
Next episode.